doesn't love a good discount, especially when it's on your favorite products? Welcome aboard on this channel. We're all about putting a smile on your face and a discount in your shopping cart. Subscribe now and get an instant $25 discount. A warm welcome from us to you. And the cherry on top? Each video comes with its own unique discount code, so you get to save every single time. Don't let these discounts slip away. Subscribe and start saving today. So you found a discount code under one of our videos. What next? Well, the process is quite simple. First, select your desired products, whether that's red caviar, black caviar, king crab, snow crab, lobster fish, tuna, or any other product from our wide range. Once you've made your selection, add them to your cart. Now when you're ready to finalize your order, click on the checkout button. This is where you'll need to input your discount code. If you're on a desktop, look to the top right side of your screen. You'll see a box where you can enter your discount code. For those of you using a mobile device, you'll find the discount code box located just below the order summary, but above the Pay Now button. Remember, these discounts are for single use and unfortunately cannot be combined on a single order. But don't worry, with our multitude of videos and discounts, you'll have plenty of opportunities to save. That's it, you're all set to enjoy your discount. Happy shopping! But wait, the savings don't stop there. Don't forget that every single video on our channel comes with its own unique discount code. Yes, you heard that right. Each video, each code, each chance to save. With such a vast array of videos, you're looking at a treasure trove of savings. And remember, though these discounts are for single use, the sheer quantity of videos ensures your savings will last a long time. So why wait? Start exploring our videos, grab those discount codes and enjoy the savings.